Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to earn money by clicking. Welcome to Financial Guy, where we teach people to make money online. If you have any questions or concerns about the video, don't be shy to comment below, I promise to answer. And please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video to this channel. The first step guys, is to sign up. Without signing up, you can't do anything on the website, so that's the first thing you will have to do. Make sure you use a password you will remember. The second and last step is to go to Edit Mockup and click on one of them, and add an image. After that you will earn $50 guys. There are a lot of things you can do on this website guys, but today I just wanted to show you how we can do this in just 2 steps. That's it for today guys, see you next time.